welcome to Dance Like the Stars. In this video, we are going to dance like the incredible Patrick Swayze from the iconic movie Dirty Dancing. And here's the steps that we're gonna do.
I've been waiting for so long. Now I finally found someone to stand by me.
Wow, that was incredible. All right, let's start learning the step. So we're gonna start with one foot to the side, and we're gonna go close, side, close, tap, close, side, close, tap, close, side, close, tap, close, side, close, tap. And we have to kind of find the groove for the step. So let's try it one more time, and we go close, side, close, tap, close, side, close, tap, close, side, close, tap, close, side, close, tap. And our arms, they're just kind of framing our body like this. So now let's try it faster. And 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2, 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 and wonderful. All right, are we ready to do it with the music, girls?
Yes.
Let's go.
Just remember,
This music is so great.
I can't get enough.
5, 6, 7, go. And 1 and 2, 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 and 1
This
and
could
2.
be love because I've had the time of my life. No, I never felt
This
this
feels
way
so
before.
good.
Yes, I swear it's
Wow.
the truth.
All right, great job, girls. We hope you practice this step with us. It's so much fun. And we will see you in our next video. Bye.